This videocast will be on how to set preferences in iTunes, with an emphasis on podcasts. You'll notice when you open iTunes, you may be in music. Go to iTunes Preferences. Go to the General tab. You'll notice that I'm showing these things on the sidebar: applications, radio, movies, and podcasts, but you can check or uncheck any of the boxes. I've made the source text large for easier reading and the list text large. And then I have show CD. When I insert a CD, instead of begin playing, ask to import, import CD, import and eject. But you can choose any one you want. For example, if you'd like to have the CD begin playing when you insert it, you may check that one. I just like to show CD because I like manual control. Import setting is the type of file that is imported. I use an MP3 encoder because if I want to give the music to a friend, MP3 is the most common format. But there are higher quality encoding which you can choose. I have the setting on high quality, although you can use higher quality with a small increase in the file size. Actually, I think I'm going to change it to higher quality. You have a choice to use error correction in audio CDs, but only if you're having problem, as this slows down the rate and speed of importing. Click OK. In playback, you can adjust these settings, but generally I use the default settings. Sharing, we're not going to go into right now. And store, you can choose the default settings here, which are visible. Parental controls, if children use the computer, you might want to set some parental controls. Apple TV, I just have look for Apple TV, but I do not have Apple TV, so it's not that important for me. And devices, it notices that I have plugged in David's Touch before. So the important thing is I have disabled automatic syncing for iPhones and iPods because I like manual control, although you can uncheck this if you like to have it done automatically when you plug in the iPod. And under the Advanced tab, I would use the default settings here. That's the end of the video on iTunes preferences.